Smart money refers to the capital that is being controlled by institutional investors, market mavens, central banks, funds, and other financial professionals. Why should you care about smart money? First, institutional investors are generally more equipped than average traders. They spend years learning about the financial world and get paid for making investment decisions. They also maintain a professional network with industry insiders. Second, the scale of smart money is generally bigger than retail investments or dumb money, so big that it can potentially move financial markets. So the question is, how can you identify smart money? There are 3 ways. First, notice if there is any unusual high trading volume in one stock. Second, analyze index options and stock pricing. Finally, check out the Smart Money Index.